Okay, so this video is about proofreading skills. So in order to master proofreading skill, you have to master basic grammatical skills. So this video is especially for group 2 and 3 students. Of course, group 1 students can also watch this video, but I feel like the errors mentioned in the video is kind of like group 2 and 3 mistakes. Okay, so for basic grammatical rules, we have to have SVO. We have to have SVO. But object is not a must, because you can say I sleep, he died. So subject and verb are more important. You have to get the subject and verb correct in order to have a correct sentence. So one sentence is from one full stop to another full stop. It's one sentence. Okay, so for every sentence you have to have one subject and one verb. Okay, there is only one occasion that you have to skip the verb. You can skip the subject, which is imperative. For example, let's go. Watch out. 呼告式啊。So you ask people to do something. In this type of sentence, it's not a must for you to have the subject. But in 99% of cases, you have to have a subject. So there are three main types of subjects. Noun, for example, government, boys, people, etc. Name, pronoun. Okay, I think even for group 2 and 3 students, you can get these correctly. But this is the problem. Now, sometimes you make a verb as a noun. For example, play games is good. Okay, so we never have a verb working as a subject. When you want to put a verb at the beginning, or you want to talk about some actions and use it as the main thing, the main topic as a sentence, always add ing at the end, or say to play, playing or to play. Never use a verb as a subject. And remember, we have another thing called subject-verb agreement. And in writing, I write SV, subject-verb, as the symbol. It means that, although games are plural, but playing games as a whole, playing game, this is a thing. 一件事嚟㗎嘛，係咪? When you talk about a thing, it is it, as in he, she, it. So of course, it is followed by is, okay? It's followed by is, or has, or verb that comes with as, okay? So playing games, not are. Playing games is good. So here, the first point to note is that you never place a verb as a subject. When you want to talk about an action, talk about it as the main theme of a sentence, you add ing so that it can become a noun and it can become the subject of the sentence. Secondly, playing games is. Okay, playing games is. How about verb? Like we have solved the problem of subject already. Okay, now we have verb. We have one verb in one sentence. So, no verb is incorrect. More than one verb is incorrect as well. The first common mistake is no verb. Okay, so for example, this sentence, this package including A, B, and C. Okay, this one is a typo, I think. So when you proofread your work and see that you have a sentence like this, you should change including to includes. Again, this package is an it. If you want, like, whenever you think about a subject-verb agreement, you try to place a pronoun. 當你諗緊主語動詞嘅協調咧，好簡單，你將個主語轉做 he, she, it, you, we, they 咧，你就睇到後面使咪加 s 㗎啦。Another common mistake is two verbs. Like, in this sentence, want is a verb, is a verb. Right? It's wrong. Here should be what I want is the package. So here is the only verb. Is the only verb. Because I want here become a subject. What I want 係個 package，咁個主語就係我想要嘅嘢。What I want， 我想要嘅嘢係個 package，咁 what I want 就係個 subject 啦。The second sentence, students should be allowed to do this. Okay, here should be allowed, although it has three words, 有三個字嘅，但係咧呢個係一個 verb， 一個 verb phrase 啊。咁但係咧都單獨喺度咧又係一個 verb 喎。咁所以呢度有兩個 verbs 啊，即係 should be allowed 同 do 啦。咁個方法好簡單，將個 do 加個 to do 咧 to infinitive 咧就係一個 noun 啦變咗做。但 to infinitive and verb ing is regarded as a noun. So when you realize you have two verbs or you have a verb as a subject, you add ing or to plus a verb to make it a noun, okay? Then you won't have too many verbs in your sentence. Now, we hold this activity, 我哋舉辦呢個活動啦 ，aim at 為了 achieve 達成個目的。好啦，咁樣中文咧。我哋舉辦活動想達成目的啦。舉辦想同埋達成咧，都係動詞啦。咁所以咧，我哋就要取捨啦。我哋個主角，我哋個故事嘅主角係我哋舉辦活動啊嘛，係咪？我哋舉辦活動，咁所以呢個就係 subject 同 verb 啦。咁咧呢兩個咧都係 verb 喎 ，verb 樣嚟嘅喎，點算咧？就要加 ing 咧，去將佢名詞化咗佢啦。 aiming at, achieving,咁加咗 ing 之後咧，兩個都變咗 noun，咁所以咧唯一一個 verb 咧就係 hold 啦。咁咧其次咧，我哋都發覺咧有好多Group 2 Group 3 students 咧，I realized that a lot of Group 2 Group 3 students they have a lot of problems with s. 嗱，when do we add an s? First one, more than one. 呢個 A 唔知做乜鬼 more than one. For example, many students. Very simple, right? But the second rule, a lot of people do not know. Things in general, you add s. When you talk about things in general, it means that it's more than one, so you add s. For example, boys like playing games. 一般男仔都好中意打機嘅，咁所以一般嘅男仔即係多過一個男仔啦。咁所以 like 就唔好加 s 啊，唔該。中意玩機，咁玩機佢哋唔會打死一隻 game 噶嘛，佢哋打好多款機噶嘛，咁所以 game 要加 s 啦。第二個狗係友善嘅，咁多數啲狗都好友善嘅。Dogs are friendly。咁記住可數名詞，而如果 countable noun and when you talk about general cases, you add s. Okay, so checklist for proofreading. When you proofread, you have to, that's not all. These 6 points are not all. Of course, you have a lot of other things you have to notice, but these are some major ones. For example, is there any verb in a sentence? Is there more than one verb in a sentence? 嗱，有時咧，我哋咧有啲 wrong 嘅 format 嘅。嗱 ，of course you can have more than one word 多過一隻字 as a verb， 多過一隻字做動詞係得㗎。譬如咧 has done， 嗱 has 同 done 都係動詞樣嚟㗎嘛，係咪？going to I am going to swim 咁啊 ，I'm going to do something。咁呢啲咧，你見到咧 ，2 words, 3 words, 4 words as a verb, of course it's okay because they are correct combination. They are correct combination. 佢哋係正確嘅組合啦，咁所以咧就係一隻字啦。咁但係有啲係錯嘅喎 ，has do。咁你 has 同 do 咧兩個都係 verb 啦，因為佢哋唔係一個正確嘅 combination 嚟嘅。am going 咁後面有冇個 to am going do 咧咁樣咧 ？am going 係一個 verb 啦 ，do 係一個 verb 啦，咁就呢度都係兩個 verb 啦。咁所以記住咧，可以多過一個詞語組成一個動詞嘅詞組，咁但係佢哋係咪一個啱嘅組合先？唔啱嘅就多過一個動詞㗎啦。The third question is the subject a noun. It must be a noun. Any missing s? This one is very important, but it is for level maybe 2 to 3, level 3 or above. Are sentences linked with too many commas without suitable connectives？ 嗱，你哋咧有時咧一句咧有逗號、逗號、逗號、逗號、逗號十幾次先句號嘅。It's not a good phenomenon. It's not a good thing. You have to have connectives like because or though to link up different ideas. If two sentences have no relationship, you can add semicolon or simply add a full stop. 兩者冇關係嘅話咧，可以用 full stop。兩者有啲關係，但係你諗唔到有咩關係嘅話咧，可以用 semicolon。咁同埋記住 semicolon 點用嘅咧？有時咧兩句之間有關係，但係你又唔係一個直接嘅關係喎，即係唔係一啲 because 我都話，咁你用一啲 connectives 咧，佢唔係 conjunction 嚟嘅，呢啲係 conjunction 嚟嘅。嗱，唔識嘅翻去自己查啦。佢哋唔係一啲連接詞嚟嘅，喺文法詞性上面唔係連接詞。However, furthermore 都係講句子之間嘅關係，但係佢哋咧係一個 adverb 嚟嘅。咁你就要用 semicolon 再 comma 啦。呢個比較難嘅 level 3以上嗰啲學啦嚇 ，OK。The last one, any errors on capitalization? 嗱 ，level 1 or 2 students, a lot of people write small letter I or start sentence with small letter. That's a very bad habit because it shows the marker that you are a very weak writer. Because only weak writers write with bad punctuation and capitalization。即係正常一個 level 5嘅人，佢會唔會個 I 字唔記得加大階啊？唔轉大階咧？或者會唔會係句子開頭唔係大階咧？冇可能噶嘛。咁所以留意呢一點。聽日嗱，今日係11月7號，11月17號星期3啦。聽日星期4有超多嘢做。嗱，第一就今晚你睇完呢段片啦，然後就聽日第二堂咧就要第二堂即係我哋嘅第一堂啦，就要 proofread 啦。咁留意翻呢啲點啦。咁跟住咧，如果你今晚有時間嘅話咧，就可以再睇一睇我剛剛派俾你個 booklet 啦，嗰個 handout 啦，就係 for 聽日課後嘅補課嘅。OK。